The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in south-central Louisiana at 1 a.m. At 3 a.m., National Weather Service indicated line of severe thunderstorm capable producing some small hail and damaging winds at 16 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near, at central Louisiana. If you are near of this storm, get indoors in a building, stay away from windows. Remember, severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no likely advance or two.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch number 28 for the following counties in this watch: New Orleans, Lake Charles, Pensacola, Mobile, Baton Rouge, Gulfport. Remember, a tornado watch means that are favorable for the severe weather development. Have a plan to be prepared. Stay tuned to your NOAA weather radio, commercial and media outlets for further information. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Jefferson County in south-central Louisiana, not central Louisiana, at 1 a.m. At 3 a.m., Doppler radar indicated line of severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado in Louisiana. The tornado will be near, at north-south central Louisiana. This tornado includes the following counties: New Orleans, Lake Charles, Baton Rouge, Pensacola, Mobile. The safest to be during is UN basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter in a hallway such as a closet. Stay away from windows. If you are in a mobile home outside or in a car or vehicle, go to the nearest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If no shelter is available, lie flat into a nearest ditch and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
The following message has transmitted the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a catastrophic tornado warning remains in effect until further notice. Seek shelter in a basement, get under a workbench or piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter in a hallway such as a closet. Stay away from windows. If in a car or mobile home or outside, go to the nearest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If no shelter is available, lie flat into a nearest ditch. Stand by. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should kept open for emergency use only. Remember, this is a tornado emergency. The tornado warning will expire at 3 a.m.
An administrative message: the tornado destroyed the following counties in Louisiana and South Florida: New Orleans, Lake Charles, Baton Rouge, Pensacola, Mobile, Panama Beach, Pascagoula, Gulfport. All trees and power lines have been downed. The tornado ended at 3 a.m. That is all for now. We may now switch to our regular programming.